Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn recursion. Why do we need to learn recursion? Because many problems are naturally recursive, like trees, folders, puzzles. Think of example of mirror So stand between two mirrors. You see infinite, smaller version of yourself getting tinier and tinier. What is recursion? Recursion is when a function calls itself to solve a smaller version of the same problem. It keeps calling itself with smaller and smaller problem until it reaches a very simple case it can solve. Then it works backwards to give the final answer. So what's the key part of recursion? First is the base case, the stop sign. Without this, the function calls itself forever. The second part is recursive call, where the function calls itself with a smaller input. The third part is progress. Each call must make the problem smaller. So let's look at an example. Factorial. So let's compute the 5 factorial. We know equals 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And the 4 factorial equals 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And the 3 factorial equals 3 times 2 times 1. 2 factorial equals 2 times 1. 1 factorial equals 1. Did you see there is a pattern? So 2 factorial equals 2 times 1. This is also equals 2 times 1 factorial. And the 3 factorial equals 3 times 2 factorial. 4 factorial equals 4 times 3 factorial. 5 factorial equals 5 times 4 factorial. So if we want to compute 5 factorial, we can call the 4 factorial, then call 3 factorial, 2 factorial until reach the base case 1 factorial. How to write the code? We have the keyword df factorial n. First is the base case. If n equals 1, base case. This is the base case. Then we have value return 1. Else, what we did is return n times factorial n minus 1. We call the smaller problem n minus 1. So let's call this function and print the result. Factorial 5. So run the program. So the 5 factorial equals 120. So they get the base case and give back the result to their colleague, and then we get the final result 5 factorial. Thank you.